Oh, she go to sleep. You got it.
No. She's not gonna sleep.
Yeah, you're asleep. Come on. No.
It's about time. It's about time to eat anyway.
No. She's not crying anymore, Amy. No crying. No crying. Go to sleep. Sleep. Yeah, come on, please. No, come on, no crying. No crying. This is working, Amy. No, please, Sky, no. Oh, see? No. Don't cry. Good girl. We did it. You're supposed to eat at 1 o'clock. 5 minutes ago. No longer hungry. Right? No, please.
Are you hungry, Skylar?
Yes, but someone's tricking me.
No? Okay. Almost time, okay?